Hello everyone, so I'm making this video to guide all of us on how to open a demo account. We're going to be using this demo account in the course of our studies to really help us to understand what we are being taught. So first of all, you go to your Google Chrome and then you type IC Market Demo Account. So it's going to come up like this, and then you tap on this one, IC Market, open a demo trading account. So when you tap on it, it's gonna open up like this, and then you put in your first name, your last name, your email, and then your mobile number. So after you've entered your name, your last name, your email, they're gonna send you an email, and then they're gonna ask you to activate your account. So when you click on the activate your account, you'll be asked to enter your password, which is going to be your login for your IC Market page. So when you activate your account, it's gonna bring you here to the IC Market platform. Then you go to the menu, you go on accounts, and then it comes up like this. So you tap on the MT5 and then you tap on open demo account. So when it comes up and then you tap on the open a demo account, it's gonna come up like this, account type, and then you select standard account. Currency USD, you leave it like that, and then the leverage you select 1:30, and then the initial deposit you select 10,000, and then you go on proceed. So once you have opened the demo account, they are gonna give you a password, a server, and they are gonna send an email back into your email, and they'll give you a login. So after they've given you the login, they're gonna send the login into your email, and then the password is gonna be on the IC Market account where you logged in, where they're gonna send you when you verify your account. Then you come to Google Play Store, Apple App Store, you download the Meta 5 like this. So when you download it and then you open it up, it's gonna come up like this. You allow, you accept, and then you go to, when it comes up open a demo account, don't tap on open a demo account, you cancel, and then you come here, and then you go back to the email they sent you. This is the server, IC Market SC Demo. So you copy it like this. Please, when you are copying, be very careful you don't copy spaces, because if you copy space, it's gonna make it look like you're not doing the right thing. But then, so you copy, and then you paste it here where it says enter company or server name. You paste it there. So that's it. It's gonna come up Raw Trading Limited. You tap on it. I come to my email. This is my login here. They sent me an email with my login. So I'll copy my login like this, and then enter it here. And then I'll go to the IC Market page. You tap on here, and then the password is going to come up for you to see like this, and then you copy, and then you paste it as well. Then that's it, your account opens up for you. So this is the step by step on how we can open a demo account.